Some people are asking me what I thought about what happened in the Alec Baldwin case today, where the judge dismissed the case with prejudice, which means he can't be retried. What happened was, and I'll try and simplify it. This is kind of out of my wheelhouse, but basically what happened was the prosecution failed to provide evidence um, that they wanted to provide to the court before the jury was seated. Once the jury is seated, you can't do that, and and because the prosecution failed to do that, the judge basically just dismissed the case. Because the reason you can't do that is because the defense, um, they build their case around the evidence that the prosecution has, and that's why you have to disclose everything. When they pick a jury, they a lot goes into that as far as how to pick a jury, what jurors to pick based on the evidence. Sometimes that the prosecution has. Well, they failed uh, to meet their obligation to provide that evidence. So the judge said, "That's it. It's over. It's done." She shut the case down, and she dismissed it. And he won't be tried. He won't be tried again. Is he guilty or not? I don't know. This is a touchy thing. Um, it was obviously a mistake. It was obviously an accident, but somebody died. You know, somebody died over this. So somebody should be held probably accountable. The reason they were going after Alec Baldwin so hard is not only did he pull the trigger that caused all this, but he was the producer and director of the film. So ultimately, the responsibility lies with him to make sure that it's a safe set. But anyhow, that's it. Just want to jump on here and hope that kind of clarifies a little bit for those of you that are wondering, like, what happened today.